So this is another video on image generation from ChatGPT. So I have this little thing, this little bubble toy on my desk, and I took a very mediocre picture, and I said I want to sell this item online, make the image online sales ready. So I'm not using any sales terminology. I'm just saying, let's make this thing ready. And so here we go. So I made the image, and you can see in my original image, it's not really clear. So this is fair. This is pretty good. But I said, here's another image, right? Here's another reference image created. And I think it did a pretty good job. It left out the bubbles here, and on mine, they're actually clear, but I think it's fine enough. I said add the blue bubbles, and there we go. There are the blue bubbles. They're a little bit floaty for the situation, but I think if you shake this thing up, let's see, we got the real version right here. Yeah, it's okay. It's a little bit of floatiness to it. And so I said, now take it and make a sales ad for this and recommend where to post and other materials I'd need. So writes a nice little sales ad. No batteries needed, great for kids and adults, compact and durable, ideal for these kind of gifts, pricing, available, shipping. And then it says, where can I post this? So Facebook Marketplace, Etsy, eBay, TikTok. I assume it's saying, assuming that this is maybe a used one. Not really sure how it came to this list. Again, I didn't give it so much as far as specific detail, but it's a pretty good list. And then it says, what am I going to need, right? So I'm going to need a white background, product photos, maybe a short video clip, product title and description, packing materials, tracking. And so I said, okay, make the image ad, include the price, catchy title, anything else I need to sell it immediately. And so we got this cat again. We got this colorful liquid motion toy. I don't know if that's what I'd call it, but that's what it's calling it. Relax and have fun. $12. It's on this white background. I think it's pretty good. So what I did next, because it told me I need a short video clip. I took this image, I downloaded it, and I threw it into Runway ML. And you can see here, I have this little video, right? And it took the actual ad. Probably if I would do it again, I would just use the image. And instead of just writing show the toy working, I'd probably say something to the effect of, have the bubbles trickle down and follow the spiral all the way to the bottom in a flowing motion, right? Something a little bit more descriptive, but this was just to test it and show you the idea. So I hope this is helpful. All you folks doing Amazon sales and just sales in general, maybe even on Craigslist, this might be a helpful tool to move things along and have something that's a little bit more professional looking, or maybe it's a way to cut costs. So hope that's helpful. Thanks.